What's up everybody, and welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new day. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you folks how you can make $5 online by just logging in. So do follow me on this video. If you haven't subscribed, do that now so that you'll be notified about my upcoming video. I'm going to introduce to you guys today is the Weshare Abundance platform, which is a pretty cool platform, and it's free and it's also legit. That used to earn some bucks on it. So this is the WeshareAbundance.com platform. So if you don't have account with them, you go to join us, you go and create a free account with them. So you need to get a sponsor before you can register. You put your username, you put your email address, you go and put your password there. So this is the Weshare Abundance. Then you go to register and then verify your account. So let's quickly log into my dashboard. Let me show you folks how the Weshare Abundance network works. Let me show you guys how the Weshare Abundance network works. So this I will log into my dashboard to show you guys how the Weshare Abundance network works. So I'm logging in. So this is the Weshare Abundance network. This is the Weshare Abundance network. With a free plan, you earn 1 cent for every login that you make every day. So every day you log in every day, you earn 1 cent for logging. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and this is my recent earning. I have $2.16, my US wallet. So every month, the money that you generate on this Weshare Abundance will be sent to your Weshare wallet, which is this. So this is the Weshare wallet. So if you don't have uh, a wallet address, you go and create a wallet address that your earning will be sent to. So any money that you generate per month from logging in and reading messages will be sent to your Weshare wallet. So every month the money increase on Weshare market. As you can see, on Weshare market value, one Weshare is $34. So the money that you generate, you will be sent to your Weshare account in form of Weshare token. So that Weshare token, for every one Weshare token is $30. So normally the price always increase. So you earn $30 if you have one Weshare token. So as a free account, you earn 1 cent for logging in. So the moment you register, you verify your account. As you can see, this is my email, and I verify my email address. So you will be given $2 for verify your email. As you can see, you will be given $2. So that is what we call pool staking. So if you want to earn more, you stake a pool. So let me show you how the pool works, how you can earn from each pool that you stake. So if you stake the highest pool with $75, you earn $5 every day for logging in. So in a month you generate at least $150 for logging in. And every month you have to renew your pool. You have to renew your pool. So let me show you how the pool option works. So this is a pool account. This is a pool account. With a free account, you this is the login reward of 1 cent per day. You can message 3 times a month to bonus messaging pools allocated to you. So it's free. So before you can be able to stake, it will take you 90 days if you are using a free account before you can stake. So if you upgrade your account to, let's say, pool 1, every month you can be able to participate in a monthly lottery in which you can win up to $100 or more than that on that monthly draw. So as you can see, pool 1, if you upgrade to pool 1, you earn a login reward of 10 cents per day for 30 login days. So as you can see, so for the cost of login is $2 for logging in, and you get 10 cents per day. So if you've stake pool 2, if you want to stake pool 2, you earn 5 cents per day for login, which costs 3 cents. So as you can see, we have up to six pool. We have up to 6 pool. So if you upgrade to 6 pool, you earn a total of $5 per day for login, and it costs $75. So every day you earn $5 if you stake pool 6. If you upgrade to pool 6, and your money will be sent to your Weshare account that you open a wallet on it, and you can be able to send your earning to your Bitcoin wallet, or you can be able to withdraw your money into cash. So as you can see, this is the Weshare Abundance network, and it's a pretty cool affiliate network that you can is a pretty cool platform that you can work with, and you can earn real cash on this Weshare Abundance platform. So I hope you enjoy this video tutorial on how you can make up to $5 per day by just logging in on this Weshare Abundance network. So do like and subscribe to my channel. That is if you found out this video really interesting. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.